Verifying your identity on Betterment is a straightforward process that ensures your account is secure. Follow these steps to complete the verification quickly. Step 1. Create or log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srook.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Provide personal information. Once logged in, you will be prompted to enter your personal information. This includes your full name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid delays. Step 3. Upload identification documents. Prepare to upload a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Take a clear photo or scan of the document and upload it as instructed. This step is crucial for verifying your identity. Step 4. Answer security questions. You may be asked to answer security questions based on your financial history. These could include previous addresses or loan details. Answer them accurately to help verify your identity. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your information and documents, wait for Betterment to review your submission. This process usually takes a few minutes to a few hours. You will receive a notification once your identity has been verified. Completing these steps will help you verify your identity on Betterment efficiently. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Betterment as customer support for assistance.